Are you looking for the best wireless earbuds? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best wireless earbuds on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Sony Linkbuds S Truly Wireless Noise Cancelling Earbud. The Sony Linkbuds S are another staff favorite and wellness award winner. While they weren't the best at any one task, they were above average at everything we threw at them: voice calls, noise cancelling, fitness, you name it. One area the Linkbuds S had the competition beat is size. These are small, lightweight earbuds you can easily forget you're wearing. While they launched at $200 MSRP, we have seen them priced at $150 often, a great price for the features. They are available in black, white, sand, violet, in collaboration with Olivia Rodrigo, and blue. Noise cancellation, yes. Transparency, yes. Battery life, rated up to 6 hours, ANC on, wireless charging, no water resistance, IPX4, Bluetooth multipoint, yes. Works best with Android or Apple ear tips, silicone, XS, S, M, L included. Number 2. Jabra Go Pop True Wireless Bluetooth Earbuds. These are some of the most affordable wireless earbuds that still deliver a steady Bluetooth connection, surprisingly good sound, and a convenient charging case. The earbuds and case have a combined battery life of around 32 hours, according to the brand, and the case has a cable built-in for recharging. If you purchase the earbuds from the brand's website, you can choose from 13 bright and earth tone colorways. They don't have active noise cancelling or transparency modes. I've also found the Jabra app lackluster, but these are fair trade-offs at such a low price point. Noise cancellation, no. Transparency, no. Battery life, rated up to 8 hours. Wireless charging, no. Water resistance, IPX4, Bluetooth multipoint, no. Works best with Android or Apple ear tips, silicone, S, M, L. Number 3. Sony WF1000XM5, the best truly wireless Bluetooth noise cancelling earbuds. The Sony WF1000XM5 may have a terrible name, but they are some of the best earbuds I've tried. Music and media sounded rich and more detailed when compared to the competition. The touch controls work without issue, a rarity, in my experience. They are significantly smaller and lighter than the previous WF1000XM4S, leading to a much more comfortable fit, even after hours of use. They have a longer 8-hour battery life, and come with 4 different foam ear tips in the box for a personalized fit. I found the small-sized ones most comfortable. Noise cancellation, yes. Transparency, yes. Battery life, rated up to 8 hours, ANC on, wireless charging, yes. Water resistance, IPX4, Bluetooth multipoint, yes. Works best with Android or Apple ear tips, foam, XS, S, M, L included. Number 4. New Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra Wireless Noise Cancelling Earbuds. If your top priority is blocking out background noise like the distinctive hum of plane engines, the rattling of subway trains, cars, or the latest office water cooler chatter, these earbuds have the best noise cancellation of any that I have tried. They replaced Bose's Quiet Comfort Earbuds 2 and maintain a similar design, with a swappable rubber ear tip and rubber stability band. The brand includes 3 sizes of each in the box. Like Apple's AirPods Pro, you can adjust the volume by sliding your finger up and down on the side of the earbud. They are larger and heavier than other options. I found small earbuds like the Sony Linkbuds S and Beats Fit Pro more comfortable for fitness activity. Noise cancellation, yes. Transparency, yes. Battery life, rated up to 6 hours, ANC on, wireless charging, no. Water resistance, IPX4, Bluetooth multipoint, no. Works best with Android or Apple ear tips, silicone, S, M, L included. Number 5. Beats Fit Pro True Wireless Noise Cancelling Earbuds. The Beats Fit Pro have been my go-to fitness earbuds for years and remained favorites even after comparing them to other fitness-oriented options. The wingtip design creates a secure fit that never faltered during runs, bike rides, or gym activity. Unlike full earhook earbuds, the Beats Fit Pro case is small enough to fit comfortably in most pockets. They are available in 7 colors, more than most options on the market. Flexible, secure fit wingtips for all-day comfort and stability. Custom acoustic platform delivers powerful, balanced sound. Spatial audio with dynamic head tracking for immersive music, movies, and games. 3 distinct listening modes, active noise cancelling, and transparency mode, and adaptive EQ. Enhanced by the Apple H1 chip for automatic switching, audio sharing, with another pair of Beats headphones or Apple AirPods, and Hey Siri. Sweat and water resistant, IPX4 rated earbuds. Up to 6 hours of listening time, up to 24 hours, combined with pocket-sized charging case. High-quality call performance and voice assistant interaction via built-in microphones. Industry-leading Class 1 Bluetooth for extended range and fewer dropouts. What's in the box? Beats Fit Pro True Wireless Noise Cancelling Earbuds, matching charging case, ear tips with 3 size options, USB-C to USB-C charging cable, quick start guide, warranty card.